Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thanks for watching our video. This week I'm going to show you how to light a fire using goosegrass as a tinder bundle. If you watch our videos regularly, you may remember from last week that I did a video on lighting a fire with goosegrass, and at the start of that video I said that I had essentially two options open to me, so I could light the fire with a tinder bundle, use the goosegrass in a tinder bundle, or I could put a fire steel on it, and I opted to light it with a fire steel ferrocerium rod. And so I thought this week what I would do is show you how to light the fire with a tinder bundle. My plan is to ignite this King Alfred's cake with a ferro rod, to put that into this tinder bundle I've constructed from goosegrass. And then I'm going to, once the tinder bundle ignites, I'm going to put that here into my V-lay, and then put on these kind of bundles of twigs. So that's the kind of basic process that I'm going to use to get my fire lit. In terms of how much goosegrass have I collected, it's a good sort of a handful there. In terms of, to give you some scale on it, I would say it's about the size of a house brick, so that kind of quantity. And then at the top here I've just got to put a hollow, so that is where I'm going to put the ember once it is going. I'm going to take the cake and pop it into the tinder bundle, start breathing into it. I am being more robust here than I would be if I was using an ember from a bow drill. King Alfred's cake seems to be able to take a bit heavier breathing. And there is a bunch of smoke coming out there now, so that's a good sign. So I'm just going to put this now upside down into my V. So I can take my bunches of twigs, just put those on top like so. Now, what I'm going to do now is just kind of lay down alongside my fire and breathe into it a little. Actually, no, I'm not going to need to do that. In fact, the goosegrass is burning quite nicely there. Sometimes what I'll do is, when I put the tinder bundle into my V, if it doesn't carry on burning, then I'll lay down, got to get my head in here sideways on, and then give it a few extra breaths that way. But this time around that wasn't a necessary step. And by the way, the wind has changed direction since I set up this V initially, so the wind was blowing that way directly into the V. It's kind of gone back that direction again now. But As you can see, that's going quite nicely now. And so at this stage I could be adding on my pencil sized sticks, and from that sort of thumb size, from that pound coin size, £2 coin size, and so on. I hope that's something you found useful, something that you can incorporate into your own bushcraft skill set. I'll try my best to get some more content out next week. Make sure you don't miss out on that. You can subscribe either to our blog or to our YouTube channel, either of which are Jack Raven Bushcraft. In the meantime, take care.